Hello, English learners, and welcome back to English BioTalk. I'm Anna, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today.
And I'm Tom. It's great to be back. Anna, have you ever felt like you understand English perfectly, but when you speak, it just doesn't sound natural?
Oh, absolutely, Tom. That's a huge hurdle for so many learners. You know the grammar, the vocabulary, but everyday expressions just don't come naturally.
Exactly. That's why today we're diving into 100 phrases to sound more natural in English. This is our slow podcast practice session.
That's right. It's designed to help you not just learn, but truly integrate these phrases. We'll introduce each one, give a clear example, and then, the most important part, we'll repeat it slowly.
Giving you plenty of time to focus on pronunciation and intonation. This isn't about memorizing, it's about making these expressions comfortable on your tongue.
Absolutely. Get ready to transform your English, one natural phrase at a time. Are you ready, Tom?
I'm ready, Anna. Let's kick things off with essential phrases for greetings and starting a casual conversation.
Okay, our first phrase is how's it going? It's a versatile, informal way to ask, how are you?
Right. You'd typically use it with friends. For example, hey, Anna, how's it going?
And I might reply, it's going well, thanks. How about you? Now, slowly, how's it going?
Next, even more casual, what's up? This is like saying, what's new?
You might hear, what's up, guys? Or, not much, what's up with you? Slowly, what's up?
Our third greeting, how have you been? Perfect when you haven't seen someone for a while.
Like, it's been ages, how have you been? Replied, I've been good, thanks. Slowly, how have you been?
Moving to ending a conversation, I gotta run, short for I have got to run.
So, it was great catching up, but I gotta run. Slowly, I gotta run.
Finally for greetings, long time no see, simple and effective for reconnecting.
Like, Tom, long time no see, how have you been? Slowly, long time no see.
All right, expressing opinions and agreement. First, I think so too, a straightforward way to agree.
This episode is helpful. Reply, I think so too. Slowly, I think so too.
Next, that's a good point. Acknowledge someone's valid idea.
Maybe we should try a different approach. That's a good point. Slowly, that's a good point.
For a formal viewpoint, in my opinion, sets up your personal perspective clearly.
In my opinion, daily practice is key. Slowly, in my opinion.
Emphasizing strong agreement. I couldn't agree more. You fully agree.
Learning English takes patience. I couldn't agree more. Slowly, I couldn't agree more.
Finally, to be honest, introduces a frank or personal opinion. Another excellent casual phrase, no worries, means you're welcome or no problem.
Thanks for your help. No worries. Slowly. No worries.
And finally, got it, simply means I understand.
If someone explains something, just say, got it. Slowly, got it. Okay, everyone, take a moment to breathe. We've covered a fantastic range of phrases. Remember, this slow practice isn't just about hearing. It's about feeling the words in your mouth.
That's a great point, Anna. Don't be afraid to sound silly at first. Embrace the process. For the full list of all 100 phrases, find a link in the description below to our English BioTalk website.
Absolutely. Let's keep this momentum going. Tom, what's next?
Great question. Let's dive into phrases for making plans and suggestions. These are essential for social interactions.
Perfect. This is where conversations truly become dynamic.
All right, first phrase for suggestions is how about incredibly versatile for proposing an activity?
How about pizza for dinner? Or how about going for a walk? Slowly, how about
To agree to a plan, the simple and common phrase is sounds good.
want coffee later? Sounds good. Slowly, sounds good.
Suggesting more directly, why don't we polite and common?
Why don't we try that new restaurant? Slowly, why don't we?
Declining or stating unavailability. I'm tied up means busy.
Sorry, I'm tied up with another project. Slowly, I'm tied up.
Final phrase here. Let me know. Ask someone to inform you about something.
Once you decide on a time, let me know. Slowly, let me know.
Now for common responses and reactions. First, that's awesome for strong excitement or approval.
I passed my exam. That's awesome. Congratulations. Slowly, that's awesome.
Next, to express surprise or disbelief. I can't believe it.
They canceled the concert? I can't believe it. Slowly, I can't believe it.
With a more playful or shocked tone. You're kidding me.
I won the lottery. You're kidding me. Slowly, you're kidding me.
Expressing sympathy or understanding. That's too bad.
My favorite cafe is closed. Oh, that's too bad. Slowly, that's too bad.
Finally, a positive response. Sounds great, with a bit more enthusiasm.
How about that new BioTalk challenge? Sounds great. I'm in. Slowly, sounds great.
Wow, Anna, we've just covered so many useful phrases today, and this slow podcast practice format really helps to cement them.
It really does, Tom. I hope all our listeners feel a tangible difference. Incorporating these phrases will make a monumental difference in how natural and confident you sound. They're the rhythm of authentic English.
Absolutely. Don't shy away from making mistakes. That's a vital part of the learning process. The more you use these phrases, the more they'll become ingrained and feel like second nature.
That's the spirit. For the full list of all 100 phrases, complete with additional examples and exercises, please visit our website. You'll find the direct link in the description box below.
Yes, take advantage of that resource. And if you found this episode helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment with your favorite new phrase, and subscribe to English BioTalk for more slow podcast practice sessions.
Your engagement truly helps us reach more learners worldwide. Thank you so much for joining us today on English BioTalk. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep sounding more natural and confident in your English. Small talk.
Small talk. Yes, it's those short, friendly, and light conversations about easy-to-discuss topics.
Exactly. It might seem like just small talk, but it's how you connect with people in English. It opens doors to deeper conversations.
That's so true, Anna. And today, we're going to give you many useful phrases you can use right away in your daily life.
We'll speak slowly and clearly. Our goal is to make you feel more confident in any social situation.
Absolutely. Let's start with basic greetings and simple ways to initiate a conversation. These are essential for any interaction.
First up, let's talk about how to simply start a conversation. What can we say to open up a chat, Tom?
Well, a classic is, "How are you doing today?" It's simple, friendly, and polite.
Right. How are you doing today?
Or if you know the person, you can ask, "How have you been?"
How have you been? Perfect. It shows you care. What about at work or school? How's your day going? How was your weekend?
Good point. Or just good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Always appropriate.
Okay, Tom, let's move on to the weather. It's a universal topic for small talk.
It really is. It's such a safe subject.
So you could simply start with, lovely weather today, isn't it?
Lovely weather today, isn't it? Or terrible weather today, isn't it?
Right. Or, it's a beautiful day. Or, the weather is really nice today.
You can also ask, what's the weather like where you are?
What's the weather like where you are? That's a good way to involve the other person.
You can also make a prediction or observation. It looks like it might rain later. Or the sun feels great today.
Yeah, the sun feels great today. Or, it's so hot today, isn't it? Or, it's freezing cold.
Next, let's talk about giving a simple compliment or making a positive observation.
Good idea, Tom. A simple I like your shirt can go a long way in starting a positive interaction and making someone smile.
I like your shirt, easy and kind. Or, that's a nice jacket. Where did you find it?
Perfect. Or an observation like, this coffee is really good here. Or, this place is quite busy today, isn't it?
This place is busy today. Yes, that's a natural and shared observation. A great way to start if you're both waiting in line.
If you're at an event or party, you could say, this is a great party. Or, I'm enjoying the music here tonight.
Right, I'm enjoying the music. It shows you're engaged and finding something positive to say.
You can also compliment someone's work or a specific achievement. Great job on that presentation. Or, that was a smart idea.
Yeah, great job on that presentation. That's very encouraging. Or about a skill. You're very good at that.
Moving on, let's talk about weekend plans or recent leisure activities.
This is a very popular one, especially on a Monday morning or Friday afternoon. You can ask, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Or for a Monday, what did you do last weekend? Perfect for catching up with friends or colleagues.
Yeah. What did you do last weekend? Is a real staple for starting the work week, or even Sunday evenings if you're chatting.
And if you're into entertainment, did you watch any good movies or TV shows recently? This is a very common question, almost universal.
Did you watch any good movies recently? Or read any good books lately? These are great for finding common interests.
Those are great. What about more general hobbies? Do you have any interesting hobbies outside of work or school?
Do you have any hobbies? A little more personal, but great if the conversation is flowing well and you feel comfortable. Good one, Anna. Are you doing anything fun after work today? And if someone is leaving for a trip, going anywhere nice for your vacation? Definitely needed. You could easily ask, how's work going for you these days? It's polite and shows interest.
How's work going for you? Or if you know what specific project they are working on, how's your project coming along?
How's your project coming along? That's specific and shows genuine interest in their work, which is always good for building rapport.
Yeah. Or simply, busy day today? When you see someone at their desk or grabbing a coffee in the break room.
Busy day today? Simple and effective. Or, are you working on anything interesting at the moment?
Are you working on anything interesting? That definitely invites them to share more about their tasks and current projects. Oh, yes. Or have a good evening if it's later in the afternoon. Very polite and a nice way to end your workday interactions. That's a great way to keep the conversation going and engage them further. You could simply say, "What do you think about?"
What do you think about the new coffee shop around the corner? Or what do you think about the movie that just came out?
Exactly. Keep it light. "Do you like this new restaurant?" is another very good one to ask, especially if you're eating out.
Do you like this new restaurant? Simple and direct. Or have you tried the new menu item at the cafeteria?
Good. And you can ask, "What are your thoughts on this new policy?" if it's work-related but not too sensitive or personal.
What are your thoughts? That sounds very natural and invites a discussion while still being informal. Absolutely, Anna. Can I help you with anything? Is always appreciated, especially if someone looks a bit lost or confused.
"Can I help you with anything?" Or a slightly longer version, "Please let me know if you need anything at all."
Let me know if you need anything. That's very kind and thoughtful. Or a simple, after you, when holding a door open for someone.
A simple act of politeness goes a long way. Or, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" if you need to sit down next to someone.